Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a project share. It's from a prompt game that I'm doing in a tiny little notebook to challenge myself to see, you know, how I can get prompts done on tiny little paper. Okay, and this is ATC size. Okay, now on March 2nd on Mrs. Gigi's channel, we did this. Okay, whereas use a stencil, jute, use your fingers to paint, Q-tip, circles, uh, die cut of flower, blue, and that's what round one. Round two is die cut shape, lines, stamp, wild card, ribbon, yellow, and fabric. And this is what mine looks like. Okay. You see the die cuts here, the fabric. Here's a piece of scrap. Here's the flowers, the twine. Here's the stamp. I drew in a heart from my stencil. Here's the jute over here. And I drew some lines from dot to dot or circle to circle. Here's my circles. And I dated this, which is pretty good. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you do these prompts, I will list them all down below in the comment section and also in my community tab. So if you want to do this, you can go ahead and do it and post your pictures in my group or in Mrs. Gigi's group to show us what you've done. We'd love to see it. Okay? So thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be safe, be crafty, be blessed, and most of all, be kind and be positive. With that being said, I will say this. If you haven't done so yet, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe so you don't miss any content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I upload new content, or when I do a premiere. So, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.